There are many things I wish I didn't do, but I continue learning. I never meant to do those things to you, and so I have to say before I go that I just want you to know I found a reason for me to change who I used to be, a reason to start over new, yes, and the reason is you, and the reason is you, and the reason is you, and the reason is you.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Anthony.
Faizon, you sucked the life out of that song. These power ballad songs that some of you are choosing just really don't work. I mean, I'm expecting that vocally you're going to soar. There's something that's going to correspond vocally with the music, and it just doesn't. The only thing interesting about that was the hair job.
Elaine.
Come on, Elaine. Come on.
Yeah, Faizon, you're a good singer, right? And but that song is a powerful song. That song is supposed to dig down deep in your stomach and say, all right, you're the reason that I decided to try. You're the reason for everything. And this is the way you have to express it. Vocally, you mustn't have problems with those high notes that you were kind of hitting just a little bit below, like in the verses. You're better than that performance for sure. And even when it got better towards the end, you could have taken it and lift up the mic stand and walk around and own the stage because you're capable of doing that.
Conroy.
That would have been my biggest thing, the last part of what Elaine said, which is take away the mic, take out the mic, move. I mean, let me feel the energy of you coming out, which you seem to be restricted by standing up behind the mic and then trying to shift it to the side and to the side there. But it was okay.